Hello everyone, welcome to the demo video of Simpligami, a 3D origami learning app. So when we come onto the website, we are greeted with a tutorial for the first time on how to use the website. We can simply click and drag the model. Then there is a side nav bar to choose the model that one wants to learn origami for. Then you have an instructor's view, a sidebar for all the steps from starting to completion of the origami. You have a top bar for seeing the different views of the fold. Then you have a bottom slider for animation of the fold happening. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to choose the bird origami and start with the animation slider being shown here. You can play, pause it, and also user can drag the slider to control the animation and the pace. When user has paused it, and if I go to the next step, it still remains paused, and user can control the animation on its own speed. Now moving ahead is also easy, where you can use the next button and the previous button to move between the steps. Now, as I go forward with the steps and I see the folds happening, but I want to see the different views, I can use the top bar for seeing the different angles. Right view, left view, back view, top view, and bottom view. You can clearly see the fold is happening backward here. And even if I want to use the different views, I can also on top of it, click and drag it to see whatever view and whatever angle I want to see the fold. So all is possible on the website. Now going ahead with the fold, I want to clearly see the bird flapping option. It is not clear to me. Then I can go and use the instructor view to see how to make the adjustments with the fold with an extra guided tips and a view that clearly shows the fold happening. Even if I go ahead with instructor view on with the next step, it still remains on the instructor view for user's extra guidance. Now, when I toggle the instructor view off, it comes back to the normal mode, and I can go ahead towards the completion where the final model is clearly shown to us that, all right, this is how my final origami is going to look like. I can drag it, I can zoom it to see, and I can also view it at different angles. Whatever angle you want to see, you're able to see, and that's how you can simply learn origami on Simpligami Origami Learning app. Thank you, everyone.